What's going on, good people? E-Bibs here, Mr. Remote Life. So we are back and we got a good series for you guys. I'm in the process of building out this dope, we call it studio, but it's really an audio engineering lab for a school here in Charlotte. So what I'm doing is it's now 2025, but we started this thing over the Christmas break of 2024. So I'm now to a place to where we can go and edit some videos, but I've been trying to capture whatever I can in the process. So I want you guys to check it out and let's get right to it. All right, so this is going to be our production lab that we're going to build out for the kiddos. Got some wall panels over here. We're going to expand this window out, take this glass out and make it like a see-through, like little booth. We're going to build a wall here and basically make this thing into like a little small studio space. Here's our work area for the week. We're going to turn this thing around. So, the school system didn't want to remove these cabinets, so the principal said, build over it, and that's what we're gonna do. So, here's a little graphic of what we mocked up, what we want the studio to look like, and this is it. Oh, let's look at our little space here. So they're using this as a copy room now. I'm gonna move some stuff over, build this up. All right, so here's some progress. We got our wood in to build our wall out. We're gonna do some plywood and soundproof boards. It's gonna look real slick. We got our window cut out. Probably got to enlarge it because we got a big sheet of what's the stuff called? Polycarbonate. Yeah. So we got some polycarbonate we're gonna put up in here for our window for the vocal booth. And we found our route into the room. We're gonna use these cat racks just to bring in XLR connections to and from that space. So it's gonna be real sweet. We took all the doors off because what I found out is this joint is completely flat, which would be a good solid base for our wall. And then what we'll do is we'll build it out and come from here. So I'm one man gunning it today. It's the holiday. So we're going to just jump right into it. We're not even gonna do a time lapse. We're just gonna cut right into where we're at. So let's go. All right, so it's the end of a work day. You can see where we're going. We started packing in the rock wool. I don't know if you can hear that, but this room is tightening up really quickly. Cool thing, we're gonna do some trimming. Trying to figure out if we want to keep it. I like the raw wood look, or we may stain it or paint it. I don't know, but you got the black accents because we got these sound panels that's gonna go around the room. Gonna be black. Got a black desk, black rack. So I think like the wood accents with the black, I think it does good. This rock wool is tough. We got it all packed in here, kind of knock out a lot of these bass traps, but this room is tightening up a lot quickly. So let's go ahead and close for the day, and then we'll pick up the next episode. This one's getting a little long. Well, actually it ain't, because I'm gonna cut out a lot. So we just jumping straight into it. Well, so that closes this video. So if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button because we are bringing more things to this channel because we got a whole lot of projects coming, and we got a lot of projects that we got to do back editing for. So we got a lot of content coming this way on this channel. So I'm back. I have some free time. So we're going to get some editing done. So until next time, guys, it's about that remote life. We out here. Peace.